Good morning, friends. Today I am going to show you astronomical observatory of Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, Jaipur Jantar Mantar Astronomical Observatory. This observatory was constructed by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. King Savai Jai Singh, who founded city Jaipur, was great mathematician, great astronomer Maharaja. Jai Singh was born in Amber, which is town 9 km far from here. He studied astronomy, astrology, mathematics, physics, and he collected knowledge from the world. Year was 1724. He sent his scholars in Portugal, in Europe, many other countries to collect knowledge of this subject. And the all ephemeris tables he collected from world. He studies Chinese, Egyptians, Roman, Greek, Europe, all fundamental system of great astronomers, Thales, Pythagoras, Ptolemy Alexandria, Copernicus, Kepler. He studied history of Galileo, how he introduced all planets by help of telescope, and after deep study, this King Savai Jai Singh constructed 5 astronomical observatories in India. So actually main purpose, it was astrology, because in India astrology is very important, because in India we people believe as the planetary position changes in the certain rotation, we have influence of heavenly bodies. By help of this influence, always our life affects. So that's why we make astrological chart in India to know how is our planetary position and how is our life. By the help of rotation of planets, our life changes. So we say this time is not good for you because now Mars is here, and Mars located here and facing to this house. So that's why it's making many problems in your marriage, in your job. We say now it is very good time because now Jupiter is here and facing to your 10th house, giving very luxurious life and very profit in job, very good business. So these are examples. And as you know very well, it is the very common thing. We say Mars is god of war, Venus is goddess of love. So same thing is when you have good Mercury placed in your horoscope, it gives you very good knowledge It gives you very good communication. It makes you very good business mind person. If the Jupiter is very good position in your horoscope, it makes you very good scholar, religious person, educational person. If you have very good Venus, makes you very jolly nature person, luxurious life, happy, music, traveling. If you have influence of the Mars, it makes you warrior, active, energetic, brave, adventure. So this is our Indian astrology. We are an observatory which is astronomical observatory, it is not astrology. This is astronomical observatory for calculating position of the heavenly bodies. Where is now Mercury, where is now Venus, where is now Mars, where is now Jupiter, where is now Saturn, Sun and Moon, and how above is Sun and where is Moon, and declination from equator, what degrees is north or south. These all things we can calculate here. This is all astronomy. But friends, when we talk about astrology, it means that is influence of these heavenly bodies on human. So, this is observatory which was constructed by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh between 1718 to 1734. And after this is the first part of astronomical observatory, and then second part, I will show you these all instruments one by one, how we can find out time by the help of sundial, how we can find out position of the sun and other heavenly bodies from equator. These bodies are northern or southern hemisphere. Then we have their one beautiful calendar Jai Prakash instrument. According the month it changes zodiac sign. So it shows you where is now sun, what is month, what is sign of the zodiac. Then this side on my screen there are 12 different structures for calculating position of the heavenly bodies and especially the rising sign. Actually daytime these stars are not visible, but by help of these instruments we can find out which constellation is right now in the mid-heaven, which constellation right now rising in eastern side of the sky and which one getting down in western side of the sky, which is very important for astrological part. And right now on my screen, that is cylinder type building known as Rama Yantra. By help of this Rama Yantra, I will show you how we can find out altitude angle of the sun, azimuth angle of sun, and many other position of heavenly bodies. Then right now on my screen, there is one round like the one circle instrument. This is known as Chakra Yantra. By help of this circle instrument, we can find out declination angle of the sun. From equator, what degrees sun is northern or southern between Cancer to Capricorn line. And then here we have this instrument. There is a small sundial, and this side, this is two-side sundial. One part facing towards south, other part facing towards north. So actually when sun is southern hemisphere, one side is sunshine which facing to the south. But after 21st March when sun is northern side, that part works, that side is sunny which facing towards north. And 2 days in the year, 21st March and 23rd September, when sun is exactly on equator, this is equinox, day and night are equal. The both side is shadow, sun is right in the mid-heaven. So I will show you these all instruments one by one in second part of observatory. So please you wait and you watch second part of this, and I hope this is very interesting subject and you will be enjoying by help of this my video. Thanks friends. Okay, goodbye till the next program.